Do you want to tag someone on WhatsApp status without anyone else seeing it? WhatsApp has introduced a feature for private or secret tagging of other profiles in your status. The person you tag will receive a notification in their app, while other users won't be able to see that you tagged them. Let's tag someone privately. Open the WhatsApp app and click on Updates. Click on My Status. Take a photo with your camera or select an existing image or video. To tag someone, you need to have an updated version of WhatsApp. Click on this @sign. The first time you use this feature, a screen like this will appear. When you mention someone, they will get a message from you saying that you mentioned them. They can view your status and res-hair it. I've already tried it once, and I was directly shown a screen where I can select the contact to tag. You can choose up to 5 contacts. Once you select them, click on the checkmark button. You can further edit and customize your status. I'll add a caption and publish my status. Here's how it looks in a group chat with the person you tagged. They also received this notification. And that's it for this video. Subscribe to our channel and support us.